Discover the secret law that is used by some of the most powerful figures on the planet, and how you can use it in your own life to achieve your true calling and life's purpose. Imagine if you were able to achieve what you've always wanted in life, all your dreams and aspirations. What would it mean to you? Think about it. What do you want to do in your life, and what's your purpose here on earth? You pay your dues on a regular basis to make a good living, support your family, pay your bills on time, and save whatever that's left at the end of the month, hoping that you will be looking towards a bright future, right? In everything you do, whether it's a small or big thing, you have a purpose and you want to achieve something. That's why you work hard to get the best things in life. You dream of achieving big things in life that defines you for who you are. When you were still a kid, you had big ambitions. To become an astronaut or an actor or even a rock star. What happened to those dreams now that you've grown up? And how come at the end of the day you feel lost? Do you notice sometimes, when you buy a new car, that suddenly, you end up noticing the car everywhere? On the road, in the mall, around your neighborhood, or as far as your eyes can see. What happened? Why did everyone suddenly decide to get the same car as you? Don't they have any other choice, or is it something else? The moment you choose to focus on an object, it triggers something in your brain and you start to notice it everywhere you go. What is this phenomenon? This phenomenon is called the law of attraction. Have you noticed how some of the most successful people on the planet, like Oprah, Steve Jobs or Steven Spielberg, started out from humble beginnings? The classic rags to riches stories. Now they are highly successful in what they do, amassing huge wealth doing what they love. Do they have some kind of secret that the rest of us are not aware of? Have you heard that, when you want something, the whole universe conspires to help you achieve what you want? What if it's true and you found a way to learn the universal secret that all these successful people have been using in their lives? Announcing the Law of Attraction Secrets video series. What is the Law of Attraction? The Law of Attraction states that you attract whatever you think about into your life. The thoughts you choose to focus on will find a way to manifest and come true, if you think about it constantly. It's all about your thoughts and how you visualize the things you want in life. Common misconceptions about the Law of Attraction. Find out the actual truth about the Law of Attraction and why people misunderstand the actual concept. What you focus on expands. How to leverage the power of focus and achieve what you're after in your life. Focus on what you want instead of what you don't want. Discover the trick to keep your mind clear and thinking positively. How to find what you want as a result of what you don't want. Learn how to get rid of the things you don't need, clarify things in your mind and get closer to your goals. Living on purpose versus living by default. Are you expecting things to happen to you, or do you make things happen? Find out how to live proactively, instead of just being reactive to things as they come. How to become a creator in everything. Find out the beauty in expressing your creativity and make something out of it, whether it's art, business or life. Learning to be responsible instead of being a victim. How to stop feeling sorry for yourself and start taking actions to learn from the challenges and trials that life throws in your path. How to let the universe take the wheel. Learn to let go and go with the flow. How to work towards your goals and let things take care of themselves. Visualizing your ultimate dream. Discover the power of visualization that will give you an extra boost in achieving the dreams and the life that you want. These videos are just one click away. Imagine having the kind of life you've always dreamed of, the partner you've always wanted, and doing the kind of work that wakes you up every morning with a smile on your face. Achieving the same level of success as your mentor or idols. There's a formula to success that they've been using all their lives and you are about to discover. The best part is, it doesn't take much for you to implement this, but a shift in your mindset and the tools that you will be given will bring you to a different path altogether. If you are tired of living the same old way every single day and you're serious about taking massive action, this is going to change the way you look at life from now on. Even if you encounter any obstacle or failure, you will accept it as a learning process and move on to your next big adventure. You're the only one who is responsible for the way that you are living now, and no one else should be blamed. The reason you're not happy with your life is because of the choices you've made or not made in the past. Don't let it happen again. If you learn at least one thing from these videos, just do yourself a favor and teach these lessons to your family, friends, or even a stranger. And also, your purchase is backed by my 100% satisfaction guarantee, or I'll buy it back from you. I'm in the business of selling information, quality information, and it is also in my best interest that my customers get only the best from me. So here's the deal: for the next 30 days, you can check out the videos and test drive what you've learned. Promise me one thing: you put to action what you've learned in the next 30 days. It's fast and easy to implement. You have my guarantee on that. If you don't like the results after taking action based on my information, or you feel this is not what you've been looking for, then promptly contact me to ask for a refund on this purchase. In a way, I'll be buying my course back from you. The only proviso is, you cannot share this course with anyone else unless you intend to keep it and not ask for a refund. That's only fair. You have absolutely nothing to lose. If you want to take charge and change the course of your life, you have come to the right place. These videos will show you what you've been missing all this while, on your journey to success. Add this ebook, Make Your Dream Come True, as an additional explainer of the secrets of the law of attraction, to your video's purchase. Usual price, $97. Buy it both today for just $47. You save $50. This simple and easy to read guide will show you how to begin the process of attracting only positive things into your life. It will take you step by step through the process of stopping your negative thinking and help you replace them with positive thoughts, so that you can easily attract positive things and events into your life. Imagine having the power to control your destiny and reach your goals much faster than before. What you are about to discover is like nothing you've seen before. You're one click away from a major life-changing moment. You will have the ebook, Make Your Dream Come True, as well as the videos of the Law of Attraction secrets, all for just $47. Order now. You will be amazed at how quickly you can begin to apply the secrets of the Law of Attraction to your own life. The videos work best when combined with the ebook, hence they are being sold as a bundle. And for just $47, you are going to make a major shift in your mindset that will change the way you do things from today. Well, there you have it. Place your order now by clicking on the button below. Enroll now. You will be so glad you did.